This is Joseph Davis at KBND reporting for breaking news. The Oregon Office of Emergency Management over the past few days has been investigating a case regarding the strange signs found in Willamette County only a couple days ago. Over these few days, they've found important information regarding the intentions of the group behind this. I'm now getting word that we will be switching programming to a speech from a representative from the Oregon Office of Emergency Management that will be broadcasted in just a moment from now. The speech will go over the findings the agency has discovered and the future of the investigation. We will be switching over to that broadcast in just a moment, so stay tuned.
Ladies and gentlemen, me and my team have been working tirelessly to figure out who is controlling this madness that we face in front of us today. We recently discovered that the Willamette Valley Dream Survey is connected to a cult. And the people who went missing, who have called the phone number, have been believed to be dragged into the chaos that the group has formed. This cult has a belief in a man in the, quote, blue flames, and a hallway that is believed to be connected to the supernatural. A recent hijacking of a television network in Bend, Oregon shows the presumed hallway, with an ominous message. They mainly believe that the world will end on September 5, 2020 due to a number of bad events. While we do not know what these bad events are, or where this cult came from, we will continue to investigate day and night, in order to locate the origins of the group, and shut this down. We appreciate your time.